Alright, good morning guys. I had the chance to pick up a, well, I don't want to say what it is just yet, but I got a really good deal on a car. It's something I've had in the past. I've had, I guess you could say, three of them, three different variants of this vehicle. And I'm pretty familiar with them. I had them in high school. And there was a lot I wish I could have done to the truck that I just couldn't at the time because, you know, I was a high school kid. Funds are limited. And not that they're not limited now, but I have more of an ability to do what I want to do, I guess you could say. But it has 64,000 miles. It's a 2001. It's blue. And you know what? Let me just go ahead and show y'all what I picked up. There she is. It's like I said, a 2001 S10. Had 64,000 miles. The story went that some old man owned it, passed away, and the old lady actually traded it into to the dealership. But I'm gonna do a little walk around and kind of tell you all my plans for this thing so far. I have had it for a couple days, probably like a week actually. But yeah, I've got some plans for this thing. All right, there's a little bit of a walk around. The paint is in actually really good shape. It's a little bit of a morning dew on the hood. I've been driving it. I haven't washed it before the video, but it cleans up really nice. The paint's all shiny and it's in really good shape. Has spray and bed lighter. Yeah, it's in good shape all the way around, straight. Paint's clean. Interior is really nice. It's in really good shape. You can tell it was a low mile vehicle. The only thing though is the dash. It has a cracked dash, which is very common in these apparently. I've been seeing them all the time. I've actually been looking for a new dash. You put it, or a used dash actually, like a, I don't know, a part out, or you know, checking Craigslist, eBay, things like that. And like these things are like always destroyed, and they're really expensive because I guess people out there know that they're destroyed, and good ones are actually really rare that are in one piece. It's like it's warped up here. I guess it has like a plastic support under it. It's supposed to be like glued to it, adhere to it, and it just peeled up in a way, kind of warped. Came up here and cracked here. It's cracking there. Yeah, so I actually want to go to a pick and pull and see if I can find a dash today. Actually, here in a little bit. I was checking the site, and I want to say they were like 50 bucks or something for an entire dash. So I'm going to try and get it as bare as possible to knock down the price. I'll probably take out the AC, radio, just anything I can to knock down the price. I just want the bare dash. Okay, and as far as plans on what I want to do to this truck, for sure, I'm going to lower it at least 2.3, maybe 3.4, spindles in front, blocks in back, and I might throw in a 1-inch coil. And for wheels, I'm still undecided. I'm really leaning towards 17s in the back or all the way around. I might do the 17-inch ZR1 replicas or 17-inch American torque thrust. And there's always the option of doing like 15-inch Steelies, like 15 by 10. But no matter what I do, I'm going to put the widest tire possible in the back. At minimum, a 275/60. No, that might be too tall, but a 295/50 or a 295/50 15-inch wheel, or a 315/35 17-inch wheel. So whatever I'm going to do, the back is going to look nasty. I'm going to fill it out as much as possible. And as far as the engine, that's where it's going to get really fun. I've always wanted to put an LS in one of these S10s. I know it's been done plenty of times. It might be played out, but hey, I still want to do it. About 10 years ago, I had a 99 GMC Sonoma. I had a 95 Chevy S10, and I think a 99 Chevy Blazer. And it was funny because I had a set of wheels and a drop kit that I would just transfer to everything. Well, the two S10s. The Blazer only got the wheels because the suspension was different. I think it had like springs in the back or something like that. But yeah, and all those things, I was like, man, I wish I could put a 5.3 in this thing. But it was, you know, way over my head. I did not know what or where to even begin with, or you know. But now 10 years later, things are a little different. I'm very familiar with LS's and what it takes to get one in the car and running. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm gonna put at least a 5.3, preferably a 6-liter, like a LQ4 out of like a 2500 or something like that. But those things are super rare. At the junkyard, those are like the first things to get just annihilated. There's plenty of 5.3s, plenty of 4.8s. So most likely, they're actually all the same price at the junkyard. It's a flat rate price for all the gas engines. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go with the 5.3, and the transmission is still kind of up in the air. But like a 4060, 4080, something like that, along those lines. But yeah, I'm super excited. It's gonna be a long project. Funds are not, you know, unlimited. I'm gonna piece together piece by piece, and see what I can do on a budget, because everything I do is on a budget. So I think it's gonna come out good. Basically, the main things I have to do are source the engine, transmission, the harness, computer, the swap motor mounts, the swap headers, do something about a cross member, which I'm pretty confident I could just make one myself. I have to get a radiator out of a V6 S10, the 4.3 liter, and oh, a lot of guys use Dodge Intrepid electric fans. I guess they need a slim mount design to free up some space for the monster V8 in this little S10. And I guess the shroud must be like just perfect, fits over the radiator, and it's all figured out by now. This thing's so old, it's probably been done, you know, 100 times by different people, and there's a lot of informational forums and stuff like that. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Let me know if you have any ideas, tricks, tips, any advice, if you've seen something done somewhere else that might help. Or I've been doing some research, but there's always something out there, you know, that I might not have seen, an easier way to do something. Somebody might have figured something out. Just let me know. And so stay tuned for the next video. I'm actually gonna be going to the junkyard here in a little bit to pull a dash, and hopefully it's not like 100 degrees. But thanks for watching. Stay greasy, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Hell yeah. Let's do this.